Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be installing a 13x6 curly wig from Lannaxx hair. Inside the package, I received the wig that I'll be installing and 2 HD wig caps. As you guys can see, this is a 13x6 frontal with a drawstring in the back to tighten the wig. The hairline on this wig is pretty pre-plucked and the knots are super small, so I didn't have to do much plucking to the wig. I slicked my client's edges back and I used a stocking as the wig cap, and now I'm just placing a dotted line across her hairline to keep the cap down. I'm using Erica J's Hold Me Down adhesive for the cap and to lay the wig down. The makeup that I'm using is Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation number 10. And this is how the wig came out after I bleached and plucked it. After I place the wig on my client's head, I have her hold both sides down while I make a dotted line. This dotted line helps me know exactly where to place the glue and the wig down. Before placing the first layer of glue on, I always use an alcohol pad and clean the hairline without removing the dotted line. After the 3 layers of glue dried, I start by placing the middle of the wig down, and then I move on to each side. Sometimes when the wig is a little over plucked, I do go in and just cut off the extra hairline that I won't be using. In this case, the wig isn't over plucked, but my client wanted more of a widow's peak look, so I went in and cut off some of the hairs to make it a V shape. After the wig is fully glued down, I use the Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation number 10 and place it on top of the wig so that it can match my client's skin tone. In this clip, I'm using some holding spray. I'm placing a little bit across the hairline before I place the band down. This is how the wig looks after I customized it and combed it out. Now I'm just going to spray it with some water and apply some curling gel to bring the curls back. Before I started hot combing, I did place some bio silk on the hairline and on top of the wig so that once it's hot combed, it's sleek and in place. One of the last few steps that I started doing with no baby hairs on a wig is applying some holding spray like Got2b to the edge brush and then combing the hairline in place. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick install. If you're interested in purchasing the wig, the link for the wig will be directly in the description. Thanks for watching and continue watching for more clips of the finished look.